Hello everyone, today we are diving into a super handy trick that will save you lots of time using a simple shortcut to apply a single formula across multiple cells. For example, you have got a column of numbers and you want to apply the same formula to all of them. Instead of typing the formula repeatedly, we will use Ctrl T to transform our data range into a table. Select the range of data you want to work with, press Ctrl T. You will find a dialog box there. Click on OK. This converts your range into an official Excel table. Go to the table design, click on total row. Now you'll find an additional row at the bottom. When you click on a cell, you will find a drop down menu that shows average, sum, count, max, minimum, etc. If you want to find out the average, then click on the cell, select the average from the drop down menu. You will get the average. So in this way, you can find out the sum, maximum numbers in a column, then minimum. If you want to find out the count, that also you can do it. In this way, you can save your time with such a simple shortcut. If you found this video valuable, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.